right now, and we were supposed to go tulip picking, but it's really crowded, and I don't think that we're going to be able to do much, so we're going to walk around downtown and enjoy. Bye! Look at the trains! They're very iconic here in San Francisco. These are the cable cars. Flower do you want?
I want this one.
Do you like them?
Flowers.
Yes! What are the flowers for?
It's for me.
Okay.
Ah, so good.
Hi everyone, so we're going to be making clam pasta today. It's one of my favorite dishes. Let's make some today. So we cook as a team. While he cooks, I clean the mess.
Let's try. Delicious. It's really salty, so don't add salt.
Ah, okay. So what other seasoning are we going to add later?
We'll add some pepper, and if it's too salty, we can add some lemon juice to balance it out a little bit more.
And some garlic too, right?
Yes, we'll be frying some garlic in oil and add it to the pasta. It's 10-minute cooking times. We'll take them out at 8-9 minutes to finish the cooking in the sauce.
Smells delicious.
All right, so now we're gonna create an emulsion with the sauce. Adding some more oil. I will try to mix the two together and reduce a little bit, like making a salad dressing, so that it creates this uniform sauce. Perfect. Transfer the pasta in.
Yummy.